In this video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund from Ryanair. Whether your flight was delayed or cancelled, I'll walk you through how to submit a refund request quickly and correctly. Let's get started. First, you may be eligible for a refund if your flight was cancelled, delayed by over 5 hours, or your departure time was pushed back by at least 5 hours. Next, go to Google and type in Refund Ryanair, then click the refund section of their official website to begin the process. Then select the link that says, "How do I apply for a refund in case of flight disruption?" to open the proper instructions. After that, scroll down and click the link that says here to access the verification form. Now fill in your travel details along with your personal information including booking reference and contact email. Finally, click Validate. If you're eligible, Ryanair will contact you via email with the next steps and refund confirmation. And that's how to request a refund from Ryanair if your flight didn't go as planned. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more travel-related how-tos. See you next time!